Introducing Lend-a-Hand Accounting, striking new approach to helping you keep your books clean and tax ready. Our reimagined expense categorizer is another reason we're the most advanced QuickBooks Online Accounting and bookkeeping firm. Let's jump right in and demonstrate how you can harness the power of an advanced certified QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor to eliminate the worry and hassle associated with accounting and bookkeeping for your small business. From your LHA client dashboard, select the Categorize Expenses option from the left-hand menu. Give us a second while we grab the relevant transactions from your QuickBooks Online account. At the top of the screen, you'll see how many transactions you have left to categorize. It looks like I only have 2 items remaining. Next, I'll select the first transaction by clicking, or tapping, if you're on a mobile device. I can easily see the details of the transaction, including the amount, date, and bank text. For each transaction, we'll ask you to select one of your existing QuickBooks Online accounts. If the expense doesn't fit into one of your existing expense accounts, just add a new expense account by typing in account name. Don't worry, we review any changes you make. I'll create a new expense account here, named Business Lunches. Because I'm adding a new expense account, I'm also going to select an account type. Let's go with Entertainment Meals. Next, I'll click the Who Did You Pay button. This is where I provide vendor information. If I already have a matching vendor, I can just start typing the vendor name and select the existing vendor. Here, I'll go ahead and add a new vendor. I'll call this vendor Delicious Burgers. Now, I can either add additional details, or I can simply click the I'm done button. Let's try one more. You'll notice my next expense that needs to be categorized is at the top of the list. If I scroll down, I can see all the expenses I already categorized. For this next transaction, I'm selecting the account that I created earlier. You'll notice that it's already in my account list and ready to be selected. Next, I'll click the Who Did You Pay button. This time, I'll click the Add More Details button. Here, I can add a private note that will accompany this transaction in my books. I also know this private note will be helpful for my LHA accountant. After adding my note, I simply click the I'm done button. Now, I can go ahead and let my LHA accountant know by clicking the Notify Accountant button. It's just that easy. Now, go ahead and focus on your business, while we take care of the books.